What's up, guys? Happy New Year and welcome back to another video. Now, for all the new subscribers, for all the current subscribers, thank you guys for tuning in. For all the new watchers, new viewers, thank you guys for stopping by and subscribing and liking and all that stuff. Now, I wanted to start off the new year. I have a couple videos planned, but I want to start off the new year with this bad boy from Linus Tech Tips, his new commuter backpack. I've been waiting for him to come out with a smaller backpack than the one he first released, which was like massive. So yeah, this is the commuter backpack that he just released. I snagged this when they had the YouTube discount, and so it just arrived today. So it took about like almost a month, like 3 weeks to get here. And yeah, it got here pretty quickly. And yeah, I just want to unbox this, and then I want to do a comparison with my Patagonia backpack that I've had for years. And it's roughly around the same price that I got it for back in the day. It was like 150, 160. And I just want to do like maybe like a little slight comparison. But first I want to unbox this and see what the unboxing experience is like. So let's get it right into it. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand actually. So got the knife here, and just like, oh wait, sorry, I'm trying to hold the camera and open this at the same time. I've been waiting for this for like a couple weeks now, and it just went by so quickly. So now, ooh, yo, like this video if I do this one-handed. Ooh, okay, I got crazy skills. Hold on, there you go. Oh yeah, I got crazy skills right there. Gotta hit a like for that. Come on, one-handed. Okay, we got a little piece of cardboard on top. And then we have the backpack. Simple. Ooh, there we go. And nothing else in the box. Very simple packaging. I guess they had to make a simple cut cost or whatever. Not make it so expensive, but usually backpacks at the store don't really have like a special box unless it's like luxury, right? So yeah, so it comes in a cardboard box, and then has like commuter backpack on it, and then it comes in plastic. Shut up. Oh my god. Sorry for the shakes, guys. But trying to undress the backpack real quick. Ooh, it feels like a backpack. Oh, the padding is crazy on this. What the heck? Okay, let's undress it first before we start, you know, talking about it. All right. Wow, this is smaller than I thought. This is way smaller. This is like, why is it so small? It looks kind of bigger on camera, but let me do a size comparison real quick. So this is the backpack? Oh wait, am I tripping? Oh no, look. My Patagonia seems a bit wider, but at the same time there's not anything in here. Let me see if but this is nice, very sleek looking, very luxurious, very minimal. The pockets for the water bottle are deep, which is nice. Let's see. Okay, it comes with the polyester made from recycled plastic bottles. Cool. Let's open up the back here. Ooh, that orange color looks so nice. Oh, and it comes all the way down. Let's see. Ooh, so it zips all the way down. That's the orange inside. On both sides, it comes down both sides. Wow. Very cool. Little dry thing here. Capture moisture. Very nice. Multiple pockets for a tablet and laptop. Very nice. And then, is it supposed to be puffy like this? Like a motorcycle bag? Sorry for the shit camera, guys. But, I'm trying to get this all in one go. Authentic unboxing experience. Yeah, so it comes with the little puffy thing. Oh, but it's still like, it's shaped. It's formed. So it's easier to like put stuff in the bag. Here's another dry packet thingy. But okay, I see it now. Wow, it has a lot of zippers, a lot of storage. What the heck? His video that he made on this backpack is very useful. I suggest. Ooh, the magnet. That's satisfying. Good. Good kind of force to like pull it out. It's not like a loose magnet. And then I think he said there's an air tag thing here. All right, let's do have a little jank setup now. So I have the camera on the box that it came on, just like perfect height. But basically, ooh, can I get like a good view on this? So basically, it's like he said, you can easily stand it up. Let me move the camera a little bit back. Ah, no. Okay, so. So it stands up on its own because it's got like a hard bottom. It's very solid too, and I feel the reinforcement here for the back of the laptop area. He said it was reinforced here, so if you slap your bag on it, it won't damage your laptop or anything like that. There's two pockets in here for like cables, I guess, and then that's how deep it is. It's actually a decent size. Yeah, it's really small, but you can fit a lot of stuff on it. It has LTT right here. That's really sick. The padding is actually nuts. This feels really comfortable. I mean, you're holding heavy tech in here. Like, there better be like good padding. Ooh, and these here are the ridges on the back of the backpack as well. Extra protection. And then the suitcase strap thing to hold it when you're traveling at the airport. I mean, it goes pretty deep in there. And then the other side, another water bottle case thingy. I think he said on this one there's a hidden compartment. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's like a zipper right here. Oh, there we go. Ooh, okay. Little compartment behind this water bottle. And so yeah, that's the Commuter Tech backpack. Good size. It does look small, but it's because it's very form fitting, I guess. So it's very like just stable. It just like stand up on its own and you could just pack it. Now compare that to a backpack that I've had for a couple years now that is more for kind of hiking and stuff like that. So you have the straps here to like hold stuff, and then the light color, gray colors here, you can easily see stuff. Just like basic size. And yeah, I feel like, and if I were to scrunch it up, the Patagonia bag, it's still, I don't know. It's like the Patagonia bag has love handles and it's just like kind of like just protruding out, while the LTT bag is more like fit. You know what I mean? It's got its body together. This is more like, you know, sagging everywhere. And this is just kind of, you know, for, you know, hikers, or like if you're going to school. This pocket here. And did I just see a coin? I did. Lucky quarter. Anyways. And oh my god, what I hated about this, but was actually very interesting design, is the water bottle holder is pretty small for this, but it has a strap that can hold it in case it's like bigger, and then you can like seal it, which is like a really cool design. I love Patagonia, and you know, you can see it's like pretty clean still. And I've had it for like probably a little less than a decade now, or like 6 years, and I've washed it like twice, and it's still like pretty good. Same thing on the pocket on the side. The padding though, it's nothing compared to the LTT bag. Oh my god, the padding is terrible. Or maybe it just wore out. I'm not too sure, but there's little to no padding. It's just straps. And I do applaud Patagonia for their mission statement and being like using recyclable materials and all that. But yeah, it's just like a, you know, a bag where you can't really carry that too much heavy things inside, and it's just like for, you know, papers or like, you know, clothes or whatever to go hiking in, maybe like an extra pair of like running shoes or hiking shoes. Nothing too crazy. I packed clothes in here and books in here, and it does kind of strain your shoulders. So I want to kind of see how the commuter bag is going to do with, you know, my 14-inch MacBook Pro, and see if, you know, it'll give me strain for a while. After a while, I mean. So the 14-inch goes in there. Fits perfectly, actually. You guys see that? Perfectly. Yeah. Probably fit like a 16 in here. 16-inch. But that looks amazing. I love the color. Looks like a Hermes bag almost, with the orange. So that's really cool, and I love how sleek it is, and I love how minimal, and how, oh, the sunglass. Ooh, I forgot to mention the sunglass pocket here at the top. The material is not going to scratch your sunglasses, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, everything looks great here. And this is my first LTT merch, I guess, or I don't know what they'd like to call it, but thank you, Linus and team, for making this thing. This is really cool. Oh, they have like little things here for the little clip-on things. But yeah, I can't wait to use it. I was so excited for this bag, and I think it delivered on my expectations. I watched videos on it, and I watched the video Linus did, like, going over this backpack, but I can't wait to just go out and just use it and, you know, show it off. It looks really cool. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching, and more coming soon. Peace. Wait, let's do the stand test. Oh, there's too much weight with just the laptop in. If I put more stuff, then it balances out. Let me see. Or maybe it's just because it's on carpet. No, the laptop is too heavy. The MacBook Pro is too heavy. It'll just fall over, but that's okay. It's meant for you to put more stuff in, so it can balance out. But anyways, cool bag. Love it. Can't wait to use it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.